is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today, guys, we're gonna make easy, friendly budget dinner. So let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. So we're gonna start off by baking the sweet potato. My oven is preheated to 350 Fahrenheit. I'm gonna pop this sweet potato into the oven for 45 minutes. Next, we're gonna work on the pork chops. I'm making balsamic glazed pork chop, guys. So using the paper towel, I'm gonna pat them dry to remove the moisture. Season the pork chops with salt, black pepper, okay, flip them and season the other side. Cut small cuts on the ribbon of the fat on the outside to prevent it from curling, just like so, guys. Okay. In a large skillet over a medium-high heat, add olive oil and butter. Allow the butter to melt, then add the chops. We're gonna cook them until they are brown on all sides. After 2 minutes, flip them, then allow them to cook another 2 minutes. While our chops are cooking, we're gonna slice our onions into rings. Remove the chops and keep them in a warm place. In the same skillet, saute the onions and garlic until they are tender. Add brown sugar. Mix it in, just like so, guys. Add black pepper, salt, and keep mixing. Stir in balsamic vinegar. And bring it to a boil. Cook until liquid is reduced by half. Return the chops to the pan. Cook over medium heat for 2 more minutes. The chops are done. Now we're gonna move on to cook dill cauliflower. First things first, chop dill. In a large skillet, I'm gonna add butter. Add cauliflower. Along with dill, salt, black pepper. Then I'm gonna give it a toss, guys, just like so. Okay. So I'm gonna let this go on for 2 minutes, then our cauliflower will be ready. There you have it, guys. Balsamic glazed pork chops with baked sweet potatoes and dill cauliflower. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and your family, and please guys, subscribe. Until next time guys, bye. Honey for my honey.